Question number 1. Choose the correct answer. 36 and 124,000th multiplication by 100 equal what? We must move the point right hand side by 2 places. Write 3612.4. The result will be 3,612 and 4 tenths. Number 2, what is the standard form of 60 plus 3 plus 0.5 plus 0.04? We can write 63 because 60 plus 3 equals 63 and 5 lies in the 10th and 4 lies in 100th. The result will be 63 and 54 100th. Question number 3. Space is a common multiple of 9 and 6. 9 and 6. We want to find the common multiple of 9 and 6. Here we must write 9 equals 3 times 3, write factorization of 9 by using prime factors of 9, and 6 equal 2 by 3, and then 9 equals 3 times 3, and 6 equals 3 by 2. And then draw circles here to the common prime factor. To find the greatest common factor, it will be 3, but you want to find here the common multiple of 9 and 6. It will be 3 times 3 times 2. It will be 18. 18 is a common multiple of 9 and 6. It's a common multiple of 9 and 6. Or you can choose the greatest number, 9, and 9 can't be divided by 6. Then 9 plus 9 equal 18. 18 can be divided by 6. You must choose 18 in one step, okay? Question number 4. The value of the digit 4 in the number 98 and 764 is what? 4 here lies in thousandth. It will be 4 over 1000. 4 over 1000 because 4 lies in thousandth. Question number 5. 3.6 plus 5.4 1 on 1. We must equal parts. Put here double 0 to equal parts, and then 1 plus 0 equal 1. 1 plus 0 equal 1, 4 plus 6 equal 10, 0 and carry up 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3 equal 9. Okay, the result will be 9.01 and 1, okay. Question number 6, if 35 times 47 equal 1645, then 3.5 times 0.47, we have here the different places of the point. Is the first 3.5, the point after one place here. So it's question number 6, 3.5, the point after one place, and the point here after 2 places. Then we can write 35 here over 10 because the point after 1 places, and 46 over 100, and then 10 times 100, it will be 1000, and 35 multiplication by 46 give us in the example 1645. Then the point we must put it after 3 places, right? 1.64 and 5. Question 7. The rule of the pattern here, 2 plus 3 equal 5, 5 plus 3 equal 8. So the rule here, it will be n plus 3. We must add 3 here. Complete question number 2. Complete 30 divided by 4 equal 7, and the remainder is base. We know 4 times 7 equal 28, and the remainder 2. So the remainder here equal 2. Number 3, if k plus 15 and 36 hundredths equal 80 and 12 hundredths, then k will be equal what? We can find the value of k by drawing the models here and write k in the down and 15.36 in the down behind it, and the greatest number it will be 80 and 12. And then find the difference between two numbers. K will be equal 80.12 subtract by 15 and 36. We called it the median, and 15.36 subtrahend. But 2 minus 6 we can't do it, so we must borrow 1 from 1 will be 0 and 2 will be 12. 12 minus 6 it will be 6. And 0 minus 3 we can't do it, borrow 1 from 8 will be 7, and 0 will be 10, borrow 1 it will be 9, and here 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7, and 5 minus 5 equals 0, and 7 minus 1 equals 6. The result will be 60 and 76 hundredths. Okay, understood. This question was number 3 here, okay. It was 9 minus 5 equal 4, and 7 minus 1 6. The result will be 64 and 76 hundredths. Next question number, it was question number what? Number 1. In question 2, number 1, and it was number 2, and the next question number 3. Okay, look at here, the common multiple of all numbers, it will be 0, because 0 can be divided by any number without itself. 0 divided by itself, we can find it. Next question number 4. 15.4 grams equal space kilogram. To convert from gram to kilogram, you must divide it by 1000. 15.4 divided by 1000. You must move the point left hand side by 3 places. Write 0.015 and 4. Okay, 154 10,000. It's the result. Question number 5. 36 and 365 thousandths approximating to 36 and 4 tenths. To the nearest what here? To the nearest tenths. He approximating this number to the nearest tenths. Write this word here, tenths. Because 4 here was 3, and 6 give 1 to the digit 3, 3 will be 4. Question number 6. Evaluate expression 1.6 divided by 1/10, subtract by 50 times 0.1. We know 1.6 divided by 0.1. The point here in the dividend, we must cancel it by multiplication by 10 numerator and denominator. It will be 16 divided by 1. Subtract by 50 times 0.1. 50 times 0.1, it's meaning divided by 10. The result here will be 5. And 16 divided by 1 equals 16. 50 times 0.1, we must put the point after 1 places, it will be 5, or 50 times 1/10, it's meaning 15 divided by 10. 50 divided by 10 equal 5, then 16 minus 5 equal 11. The result here will be 11. Question number 7. Space the only even prime numbers 2. 2 is the only even prime numbers, because any prime number has only 2 factors, can divide it by itself and 1 only, such that 2, 3, 5, 7. So 2 is the only even prime number. Question 8. The next number of the pattern 5, 6.5, 8, 9.5 is he add what here? He add 1.5, because 5 plus 1.5 it was 6.5. 6.5 plus 1.5 it will be 8. 8 plus 1.5 it will be 9.5. 9.5 plus 1.5, the rule here, it will be what? It will be 11. Then the result here will be 11. Next question, choose the correct answer. Number 1, 17 times 51. Okay, look at with me. Number 1, 17 times 51. Write 17 times 51 equal 50 plus 1, and write 17 times 50 plus 17 times 1 using distributive properties here. And 17 times 50, write 0, and 5 times 7 equals 35, write 5 and the carry out 3. 1 times 5 equals 5 plus 3 equals 8, plus 1 times 17 equals 17, and 0 plus 7 equals 7, 1 plus 5 equals 6, and then write 8 here. The result will be 867. Question number 2, 5.7 divided by 100. We must move the point to left hand side by 2 places. Write 5 and 7 and write 0 and point and 0. Then the result will be 57,000th. Question number 3. The prime factors of 12 are. We know 12 equal 2 times 2 times 3. Then the prime factors here, it will be 2 and 3. Question number 4. The equation represents the number x if 8 to 1.7, the sum is 2.8 is right in what? We want to find the equation x add 2, it's meaning plus, add 2, x add 2, 1.7, it will be equals 2.8, okay? This is the equation, x plus 1.7 equal 2.8. Question number 5, 2.5 liters. We must convert from liters to milliliters by multiplication by 1000. We must move the point to right hand side by 3 places. It will be 2, 5, and write double 0 behind it. So the result will be 2500. Question number 6. .72 subtract by 0.05, or which is greater, this number, the result about difference between two numbers, or 2.6 and 7. We know 2 minus 7 minus 5, we can't do it. Double 1, it will be 6, and here 12. 12 minus 5, 7, and 6 minus 0 equals 6, and 3 minus 0 equals 3. Then the result here will be greater than this number will be greater. Question number 7, 80 divided by 0.08. Here we must convert the divisor here by multiplication by 100, because the point after 2 places. You must convert the decimal to whole numbers by multiplication by 100 here. Write 80 in the top in the numerator and 0.08 in the numerator. Multiplication by 100 numerator and denominator to find the result in simplest form. 80 times 100 will be 8,000. Okay, and this number, it will be 8 because the point will be moved to right hand side by 2 places. 8,000 divided by 8 equals 1,000. Result will be 1,000 here. Question number 8. Okay, it's a finished question about question number 3. Question number 4. Answer the following. Find the common factors of greatest common factor and greatest common factor. Okay, greatest common factor of 12 and 18. Okay, we know 12 equal 2 times 6, and 6 equal 2 multiplication by 3. And we have here 18. 18 equal 2 by 9, and 9 equal 3 by 3. Then we can write 12 equal 2 times 2 times 3, and 18 equal 2 times 3 times 3. Okay, the greatest common factor between them equal to the common between two numbers. The result here will be 2. If you want to find the least common multiplication, we can find it by product 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 times 3. But in this example, you want to find the greatest common factor only. Question number 2, Hani has 3.45 meters of wire that is cutting into 5 equal pieces. Find the length of each piece of wire. We can find the length of each piece of wire by using division between two numbers. Okay, question number 2, length of each piece equal length of each piece equal this number 3.45 divided by how many parts, divided or cutting it into 5 equal pieces, divided by 5, right, 0, and 34 divided by 5 equals 6, because 5 times 6 equals 30, and remainder 4. 45 divided by 5 equal be 9. The result will be 69 meters. Okay, if you want to convert from meter to centimeter, you must multiplication by 100. It was question number 2. Okay, next question number 3. Number 3, Mona had 95.5 Egyptian lira. She spent 33.75 Egyptian lira, or 33.75 Egyptian lira. Find the remainder with her. You can find the remainder by finding the difference between two numbers. She had 95.5 Egyptian lira, and she spent 33.75 lira. Okay, we can find the remainder by finding the difference between them. I'll put 0 here. 0 minus 5, we can do it for 1, it will be 4, and it will be 10. 10 minus 5 equal 5, and 4 minus 7, we can do it for 1 from 5 will be 4, and 4 be 14. 14 minus 7 equals 7, and 4 minus 3 equal 1, and 9 minus 3 equals 6. The result will be 61.75 Egyptian lira. Last question, number 4. Order from least to greatest. First, we must convert all the lengths here from greatest to smallest. First step, I will convert the lengths. Okay, we have here 0.65 kilometer. Converted from kilometer to meter by multiplication by 1000. It will be 650 meter. And the next question here, we have 0.8 here. Look at with me, 0.8 kilometer. To convert to meter, you must multiplication by 1000. 0.8 times 1000, it will be 800 meter. Okay, and then we can arrange the order is, first you want to find the smallest, arrange from least to greatest. Assembly, right, meter here we have 590, it's the smallest length, and the next it will be this number, or this number. Okay, 0.45. We have again 0.615. Okay, 0.615, this number. Okay, right in the original point, original image here. And next one, look at with me, I will write 705 meter, and the last one, it will be 0.8 kilometer. Okay, understood?